Hey there muscle car fans, thanks for tuning in to Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance videos. With today, something special in the form of this 1959 Chevrolet Fleetside 32 Apache truck. Which is a pretty rare truck because it's in completely factory original restored condition. You don't see that so often anymore because most of these trucks have been customized and changed. This Fleetside 32 Deluxe truck was restored with high quality in mind, and it's also equipped with its original real V8 driveline. So this is not a changed over 6-cylinder truck, it's a true V8 truck. Besides the wooden rack in the back and some mild customized wheels, it's still in factory original condition today. All the trim, all the chrome, all the glass, the interior, the carpeting, the seats have been reupholstered, everything has been redone. But you can also see that it's still got the original interior components inside, all the correct buttons, the original steering wheel, everything is just in amazing condition. I think the interior of this truck looks exactly like the day it left the factory. Being a Fleetside with a special side trim and rear taillights, it's not something you see every day. If you go on the pictures on our website, you can also see pictures from the underside of this truck where you can see it's really detailed and it's been restored correctly. The truck doesn't only look great, it also drives fantastic, and it's completely ready and turnkey to be driven and enjoyed. If you want more information, please go to our website where you'll find every details and lots more pictures to www.pttmgarage.com. Thank you for watching.